Today we're unboxing the 2024 Blogilates Fitness Planner. Now this is the dated planner, not to be confused with her two other planners, which is a 12-week undated planner, which you can get at Target for like $24.99, and then another undated planner you can get on her website. Now, I think the Target one is new, but the one on her website hasn't been changed for like 4 years or whenever she first came out with it. So this is the one and only new one for 2024. So let's open it up and take a look. This was $39, and then with tax and shipping, it was like almost about $50. So not too bad. And it did come in this nifty, cute little box. So we'll take a look inside and see what's different from this year from years past. Remember, if you would like to create and sell your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below, and let's get started. So this came here pretty quick. I would say it took like a week, and it came in this plain box, and you can see the only thing on the box is this white ink Pop Flex. The rest of it was plain, and this box fits perfectly for this planner. So lots of people must order this on their own. It says your journey begins now, and it has some cute little, I guess, snowflakes. I want to say sun. I'm not sure. It has stuff. And then this was shrink wrap. Now this came in black and rainbow, as I said before, and I really just like the rainbow. Now this is way more compact looking than the other ones in years past, which I want to say, just going off memory, were not as thick and definitely not as small, like in terms of width and length, but I could be remembering that incorrectly. Let's see, what do we have here? We have about 6 inches wide and 8.5 inches tall. All right, so we have an elastic band over here and a nice big chunky spiral. That's like my word for this planner this year. It's just big and chunky. So we have the interior. We have a cardboard chipboard, front and back. It looks like it has that same retro 70s pattern of like that matches the stickers. I don't know why. These colors just look kind of dull and blah to me. Although the tabs are very pretty, the colors here. I guess just when you put it on matte paper, it just doesn't look as great as when it's like on these shiny tab dividers. Anyways, we have Hello 2024, 5 things that bring me joy, 5 things that deprive me of joy. When I feel like giving up, I need blank, unmotivated to start, not good enough, I feel most resilient when I blank, driven, beautiful. So it looks like these are positive self-affirmations you can create for whatever works for you. The future looks good. So we have short-term goals, long-term, biggest dream, which I don't know. I guess that's open to interpretation on like, is short like tomorrow or is it next month? 2024 vision. This year I want to feel I'll be overcome with joy if one good habit I want to instill is one bad habit I want to get rid of. I will nurture my mind with, I will nourish my body with, I will nourish my soul with. 2024 is going to be ... So we have 2024 at a glance. We have a blank page. And we have what is the start of, I think, the monthly rinse and repeat. So this is January intentions. You can set a goal, track a habit, I guess track your period, do measurements, and that's interesting. Body fat percentage, like unless your scale does that, which mine, I think it does. I just haven't set it up, but I don't know. I really don't think that's very accurate, but I do like that you can do your measurements and track your weight every month. And it looks like, if we skip ahead, yes, every month looks the same with a different pretty color. So we have, and this has a different color, I guess, as well. April, May, June, July, August. Yeah, this is so 1970s looking. September intentions, October. I feel like I saw this font too in one of those like retro fonts that you could buy. December. Okay, I love that the intentions for December are before you even get into the month, because sometimes you have to get into the month and then you set your intention. So I like how it's like right here for you so you can reference it. But let's go ahead and just let's open the middle. How's that? So we have June, and then we have a 2-page monthly spread, which, as we know, I love a Sunday start. It makes the most sense to me. So that's what we have here. oh, look at that. My birthday coincides with the first day of summer this year. That usually never happens. It's always like the day after. But anyways, note section on the left. And then when we open the month, we have a week where we can plan our workouts. And it looks like you can record whether your workout was easy or intense, like 1 to 5. And then you put your grocery list for the week. And oh, okay. So we have notes. We get a challenge for the week. Say no to invitations without feeling guilty. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, it looks like each day gets a half page. So I guess you can track your mood, hours slept, water tracker, what you ate for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, and to do. I don't know if this is, honestly, I'm not sure if that's planning your day or recording your day, but I guess you could do it either way. And then the workout here was kind of interesting because I feel like didn't we already plan our workout? I don't think that we need to do it twice, but I guess if you just want to use that as a planner and this to record it, yeah, I feel like I need more directions, or I guess maybe you just need a system and see how it works for you. But all right, yeah, so rinse and repeats. Every week is the same. You get a week to plan stuff out. And maybe I'm just thinking it's a workout planner because it says workout planner, but I guess you could put appointments in there instead. Again, it's like, am I using this as a planner or am I using this as a journal? Because it feels like it does both, right? With the recording your body weight and everything. That's kind of like a recording journaling thing versus like a planning thing. Okay, this week's challenge, end your day with a child's pose for 1 minute. All right, I think it just rinse and repeats all the way through, and then we get a recap for the month, accomplishments, challenge, learned about myself, love about myself, and how your June goal worked out. And then you could obviously just flip back here if you're like, what was my goal? And then you get a recipe. Now that's a little different. Before she used to show, I feel like she showed workouts, but I could be wrong. And I thought there was a challenge in here, but I think each month is just, yeah, every month is a recipe. And I think she's moving that direction. For some reason, there was a recipe book for sale on the website too, which I no longer buy recipe books. I feel like everything, I can just Google it. And I don't like cooking that much. And I feel like, those people that are like food bloggers, the same recipes they put in their books are available online pretty much. Anyway, I know someone's going to be like, no, they're not. But that's kind of how I feel. Or somebody else has something equivalent. Cocktails. More cocktails, smoothies, baked oats. Yeah, see, none of these are appealing to me at all. So that is it. I think for 100% food photography is not her thing. So that's okay. Yeah, I'm kind of sad there were no workouts. Like, I don't even follow the Blogilates workouts, but I like getting new ideas. So huge disappointment. There are no workouts in here. There are just recipes, which, again, I hate cooking, so could just be me. But anyways, that's a wrap. This is the 2024 Fit Planner. Much chunkier, much thicker. It is the year of the chunky planner.